Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from, Jam Tours Africa family. I'm actually at Jam Tour. We're actually at JAMROCK Restaurant family. We're gonna put on a fish fry. So we are put on a fish fry. Yo, I'm there, yeah. Yeah, man, me and the complex. Where you at? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, just come inside. Just come inside the car park, the complex. Yes. Yeah, family. So as I said, guys, we're putting on a fish fry and KDE, and we're gonna go to the a fish market in Nairobi, and family. So I'm actually gonna take Ricardo to the fish market. It look like him not coming out. See it here, this one, 9-1, yeah. Doubt this, yes, sir. Yeah, family. So we're gonna go to the fish market in Nairobi to check on the fish prices and stuff, because the fish fry I got hot this Friday. So this is at the Uber just forward. We have to park the car, family, and we have to take Uber to go inside the city of Nairobi. As you know, when you go in Nairobi, there is no parking and thing. So, family, let's go. Family, so we're leaving out from Jamrock. Check out the fish market. Trust me out, that fish fry I go mad, because normally keep fish fry. How much variety of fish you want to have?
Fish fry?
How much variety of fish you want to have on the menu?
You can't even have 4 variety of fish is okay,
Yeah, 4 variety of fish. Too much. You don't want too much, but 4 variety of fish. Yeah.
Now you have snapper, you get some parrot. Some people like doctor fish.
Yeah, man. Parrot. If you have which one the fish go good with callaloo?
Callaloo?
Yeah.
Snapper.
There have another one, man. That is doctor fish.
We talk about steam.
Where you put the thing in the middle. You put the callaloo in the middle.
Okra.
In the middle.
Snapper.
So you get okra too, right?
You can't get that. You don't get okra.
Yeah.
Of course.
We can go to that same market then. But David don't go to market then.
So the fish, the roast fish, it's nice, doctor fish or snapper.
So what kind of fish not? How not do the fish? Escovitch fish, roast fish, fry fish.
Yeah, escovitch, roast, fry. I'll give them a secret signature fish when we mash up Tanzania with.
What that?
Roast fish.
The steam fish?
Sorrel fish.
So you're not doing a steam fish?
Yeah, man, steam fish. I have barbecue sorrel fish. That's how some people call it.
What about brown stew fish?
It's a must.
It's a must.
Brown stew fish are my favorite.
So we get 4 type of fish with 4 different style.
You might get 4 type of fish.
You might.
Yeah, also
what about sliced fish?
No, only kingfish.
Oh yeah. I buy some kingfish for myself right now, because wife says she want kingfish, so I buy some.
We're gonna buy the big kingfish, and that's always sliced as steak.
Steak it.
Yeah, steaks have a big steak.
Yeah.
That now you can. That fish is nice.
Yeah.
You know how to prepare properly.
Yeah.
Reggae flavors know how to prepare all summers. I want some octopus to make some octopus soup.
Yeah, octopus soup. Yeah, family, the Valentines. No, not today, not today, not today. Yeah, family, so we're at the fish market. Fish market is a meat market. Yeah. Come have a fish or so. Just walk around and check. Is that a doctor fish? What kind of fish is this? What kind of fish is this? Okay, you don't have which one is the one again? Kingfish, yeah, kingfish? Kingfish is here. Oh, kingfish. This one. Oh, this.
Kingfish, tuna, red snapper, chango. Chango is there, down there.
Yeah, chango. Yeah, family, so we're there at the fish place.
Kingfish doesn't look fresh.
It's fresh, 100% fresh. You can even slice it, you can see.
You can see in the face.
You can see in the face.
Yeah.
You see in the eyes.
In the eyes. Yeah.
See one of the fish place over there, sir.
So how much a pound?
Kilo is
kg, I mean.
kg is 750.
750 per kg.
And kingfish?
850.
And these type of fish, I forgot the name of these fish.
Taffy, 600.
Huh?
Taffy, 600.
What's the name of it?
Rabbit fish.
Rabbit fish.
Oh, you call it, that's what you call it over here?
Doctor fish, is that doctor
No,
fish?
rabbit fish. That's my next name.
Eh.
What? 600. Yeah, tilapia also?
Tilapia below that. But tilapia is 600.
600 now?
A kilo.
Yeah. Like tilapia.
600 a kg. Well, we're just checking around.
Checking around.
Yeah. Let's go with that one over there, sir. Fish market. Let them fish at the pan this.
Sangala. Sato. Is sato? Yeah, sato. Tilapia. Sato, tilapia. Perch. Fillet. Parrot. The parrot will dry out though.
Yeah, man, it'll dry there a long time.
Long time. One fish will dry. Tuna.
Where kingfish there? This one?
I have a tuna. Tuna.
You have kingfish?
This is kingfish, right? Tuna, see tuna.
Tuna.
It's been there a long time.
So you say you like them one?
What did I this one? I don't give too much of money by it.
Yeah, so you can compare and see what's going on. Yeah, family, so we're there in at the fish market in Nairobi. So let's go. I asked him. That's what I'm saying, and I mean. Hi. You guys have kingfish? No kingfish. Another place around us. Fish market. So where them have so much flowers and
yeah, flowers. A girl like them flowers, girl.
let's say flowers, Valentine's. Hi. You guys have kingfish?
Kingfish, no. Night patch.
Nile patch eat good?
Nile perch.
Yeah, we have good night patch.
Sato. The sato.
And tilapia fillet.
It eat good?
This, yeah, eat good tilapia fillet. Like a snapper. Use the Tanzania as a snapper.
A snapper?
Snapper fillet. Yeah, no difference. Or you cook it.
So this look fresh or what? Up on the eye? That's not fresh. Dry out.
No, well dry out.
Well dry out. Yeah, family, so they are the fish market and it seems like the fish them not so fresh. Because them not so fresh.
That's a fresh at all. That's this is like a seaside, fish market, seaside.
Yeah.
That is fresh.
That is fresh.
And you want to carry for fresher.
Yeah.
Yeah, fresher in there. Live.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we are at the fish market and we are seeing how we can get the best fish for you.
What about these two right here? They don't look fresh. Wait, don't look.
Yeah. Yo, Ricardo, no fish.
Yeah, man.
You know fish, my youth?
Let's work with this. No,
Why for that, man? Why for that? You know fish?
We ain't no fish. No, stop. No, I'll still
Why say no fish family?
We know sumas, we know fish.
Yeah, family. So today I get some fish, and the freshest fish that we could find is in this place. So when you come to Nairobi, you can get this fish. Yeah? Or you gonna get tilapia?
5 kg tilapia.
Eh.
Okay, Davis, I'm going to come back and get the money.
Me?
Yeah.
Me if you grab it for him?
Can you?
How much?
5 kg tilapia, 300 pound, 300 kg. Still, the max.
Yeah, use the goat belly.
See, nice one. Let
Yeah?
me show you. You see?
Yeah, this is the cow foot.
Yeah, cow.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know, our brother, Jamaican brother Ricardo here, checking prices for his Jamaican restaurant, reggae flavors for meat.
850 per kg for gold.
Ava. So, these are the fish. See my one there scale. Them big man. You want one of the big ones? Yeah, my family. So our Jamaican sister said she wants 3 of these fish. So I'm gonna get it for her. 3 fish. And that one over there is my one. Cutting up. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on the scale and weigh. 3,400. 3,400. Alright, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I want you to cut it in 2.
Prawns.
But no, I don't eat shrimp. I don't eat shrimp. Oh, so these are the shrimp.
Yes.
Yeah, nice. You can show it to him because he has a restaurant.
Brother.
Shrimp.
What's the pack of shrimp?
This one is 3,500.
3,005. Yeah.
Oh, no. After this.
I've got the small one as well. Come and see.
I'm coming. Alright.
Oh, you cut those in 2. Those one in 2. Yeah. Yeah, family. This is mine here.
So you're a YouTuber.
Eh?
You're a YouTuber.
Yeah, man. Promote your business, man. Tell people where they can find fresh fish.
What is your page?
Jam Tours Africa.
I will follow you.
Yeah, follow me and I'll post this video
my brother.
and I'll tell people to come here.
Everyone, this is Zach from Nairobi.
Yeah,
Welcome to my seafish shop.
yes.
Yeah, man. You know what?
City market, fresh fish.
Seafood,
Yeah,
tuna,
Somebody
kingfish,
Hold on, let's go first.
we have red snapper fillet,
yeah.
we even have mutton.
Mutton, yeah, family. So when you come, you can check it out. New Kenya Butcher, Fishery and Shop Seafood. Yeah, family. So, yeah, I mean, hope you like this vlog. Like, share, and comment. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. We are out. One love. God bless.
God bless.
Yeah.